showing you how to make a firework. It's pretty much mostly regular sparklers that I have in here. Just a whole bunch of like take the sparkler and you just put this on, break it up, make sure it goes down. That, and you wanna, this is like 40, 50 in here, and you wanna keep one extra, okay? I kept a few extra ones because so when I make more, I have extras. And then you're gonna want to put it in here, similarly. Okay, so take the crunched up, see all the crunched up sparklers. Then you're slowly gonna want to put it in here. Okay, so you're gonna take all of that. Sorry, but yeah, like this. Oh, I should have did that slowly. So go a little slow. Move that backwards. You're gonna see. So I'm going very slow. You're pouring in. I spilled some. Then, cause this is like I don't know really what the hell it is. I can't remember. There's no lid, so I just took a pop can and made a lid. And you're gonna want a hole in the lid. So when I made one of my other glue stick firework, I took all this glue out of it. I took all this. I took it right out, and then I had a hole in the lid. So here, this is what I'm going to use as a lid. I taped it up and that, not too much. And then, so you're going to want to take the extra. If you have fuses, you could do this, and you could put your extra sparkler in there, but I don't have fuses, so I'm just using sparklers. So you want to take it all in the bottom. Then take tin foil and cover it all up. So it's like, cover it all up. Just do that. And you want to make sure your fuse or sparkler is still sticking out. And it might be good if you're using a fuse, you could like stick a straw so when it goes down, it's going to be like a little bit better. So that's it. Then just light off and it like shoots out and it's really cool. And I'm gonna make a video of me lighting it off, but it's not gonna be till New Year's. And it's really good. Well, please watch this video and thanks for watching. Goodbye. I'm Christopher Share. That's it. That's pretty I just made. It's pretty cool. I'm not going to be showing this on YouTube. Probably not. Please watch my video. One. Good.